how to block phone number by setting call not reachable. So today in this video I'll be showing you how can you do that, but before that subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's get into the video. So in order to fix this setting, you need to be in your home page like this. Once you are here, you will be able to see the phone option at the left bottom corner, or you can also find your phone settings by opening up the apps and you can search for the phone and you have to tap over there. Once you tap on that, you will be able to see the three dotted vertical line at the right upper corner of the screen. Simply tap over there and you have to go for the settings. On the settings, here are various options. You have to find out calling accounts option, and if you have got 12 SIMs on your device, then you will be able to see the 2 SIMs display over here. You need to select in which SIM you want to make the SIMs, and after selecting the SIM, you will be able to see the 4 option. Simply go for the call forwarding, and if your device supports video call also, then there will be an option for video call forward. You have to select in which call you want to make the SIM. That can be either voice call or video call. And after that, you will be able to see these options, which is always forward. Simply tap over there and you have to enter your desired number over here and you can turn on this option. And by doing that, you will be able to block phone number by setting call not reachable. I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any queries regarding this video, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.